Hashtag do mode. Let's get it done.
Yeah, warm up. La, 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 la.
What's up, y'all? It's JB here. It's been a little while since the last time we spoke. Not much has changed with me since the last time we spoke. I grew my hair out a little bit. Still repping do mode, as you can tell by this snazzy hoodie I got popping right here. If you don't have one, go copy one. I'm just playing, they're not for sale. But what is for sale is the book that I came out with called The Toughest Two, and is out on Amazon.com, BarnesandNobles.com. And it's a great read, it's a quick read. Also available for Kindle, iPad if you like the digital download and you like ebooks. You can grab it on there too. And yeah, I've been traveling a little bit lately for the book, some for personal reasons too. And I met some very interesting people who talk about getting into their do mode. That's the premise behind this video right here. Taking that first step into getting into your do mode. That's one of the biggest steps, and usually the one that we fear the most. There's usually 3 big mistakes that people make when they're trying to get into their do mode or get into whatever it is that they say they want to do. Mistake number 1, don't think about the future too much. Don't give it too much weight. It's good to think about the future. You don't want to jump into something randomly, not knowing what you're going to be getting yourself into. People oftentimes think about the future way too much before they even start doing anything. They think about what's going to happen a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now. You can get caught up in thinking about what's going to happen down the line that you forget to take that first step. Mistake number 2, listening to other people's opinion about your dreams. It's great to get feedback from other people. It's great to get opinions from other people. But 9 times out of 10, their opinions are just that. Most people don't care about your dreams enough to give you solid advice. So they're not good people to get advice from. Seek those people out who've done what you say you want to do. Those people have been through it. They can tell you what to look out for. They can give you some sound advice. Also, don't get caught up in what people are going to say about you or what people are going to think about you. Everybody's going to have something to say, positive or negative. Mistake number 3, worrying about the obstacles before you even hit the obstacles. Thinking about what can happen, what may happen, I mean, that ties into the first mistake, which is looking out to the future. And this mistake is big because people tend to think about what can happen to them before it ever happens to them. Well, if I do this, then this could happen to me. And if I do that, then this can happen to me. Don't get caught up in all that. Don't worry about the obstacles, because they're going to happen regardless. Nothing great was ever accomplished without some obstacles. So if you're not ready to accomplish anything great, then you're not ready to face obstacles. I said that backwards. If you're not ready to take on the obstacles, then you're not ready to accomplish anything great. These are the common mistakes that I found through people that told me about getting into their do mode and through my own personal journey. It's perfectly normal to have those feelings of fear and to be reluctant. Everyone goes through that. And if you didn't have those feelings and you didn't have that fear, then I don't know if you're even human. So let's recap the 3 common mistakes that people make in trying to get into their do mode. 1, thinking about the future or giving the future way too much weight in the initial stages. Mistake number 2, giving too much weight to people's opinions and caring what they think. You know you care. Mistake number 3, worrying about obstacles before you even reach the obstacles. Well, that's my little nugget of information. Hopefully you can use it in your situation and apply it to your life. I'm more than happy to share my experience with you guys, and I would love for you to share your experience with me. You can put it down in the comments, or, and this is even better, you can follow us on Instagram and Twitter. That's at #DoMode. Follow us on Facebook, facebook.com/#DoMode. We got a little fancy now, and we got a website called #DoMode.com. Visit it. We got blogs and we got a place for people to connect, and the link will be in the description. So that's all I got for today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you would like more videos to be about. I plan on doing more for you guys. So yeah, #DoMode. Let's get it done.
Now I am, hey, and they ask, I tell them, Mr. Fagadon, hey, where your glasses to the sky, yeah, warm up, this is the the last call for alcohol. This is the warm up.